Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our JSS 2 mathematics on standard form. At the previous class, we have looked at powers of 10 and also how to express decimal numbers in standard form. In today's class, we shall be looking at whole numbers in standard form. That when two or more large numbers are written in figures, it is often a bit difficult to determine the largest at a glance. For example, if you have these numbers on the board, we have 5 trillion, 7 trillion, and 90 billion. However, if we express each of the numbers as a product of a power of 10 and another number, we get 5 times 10 raised to the power of 12, 7 times 10 raised to the power of 12, and 9 times 10 raised to the power of 10, respectively. Can you now easily determine which is the largest? Yes, you can, because they have been expressed in standard form, and easily you can look at them and tell which is larger based on their powers of 10. When a number is written in the form a times 10 raised to the power of n, where a is a number between 1 and 10, and n is either positive or negative, it is said to be in standard form. So standard form is very important in mathematics. Example 1. We are asked to express the following numbers in standard form. A, we have 5 million. 5 million in standard form can be expressed as 5 times 10 raised to the power of the numbers of zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 5 times 10 raised to the power of 6. Also, we have 7 billion 200 million. So this can be expressed as 7.2 times 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 10 raised to the power of 9. Now I had to express it as 7.2 times 10 raised to the power of 9 as against 72 times 10 raised to the power of 8. If I had expressed it as 72 times 10 raised to the power of 8, this was not said to be in standard form, because we said standard form is any number that is expressed in a form as a times 10 raised to the power of n, where a is a number that falls between 1 and 10. And if you look at it, 72 is greater than 10. So that violates one of the laws of standard form. 327,000 can be expressed as 3.27 times 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 raised to the power of 5. So this is how you can express whole numbers in standard form. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You are also advised to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our classes. Let's take more examples.